Hey there, I'm Toby from virtualROI, and I'm here to tell you about some common challenges and questions that we get around graphic design services. So let's check it out. What is the benefit of graphic design? So, the benefit of graphic design really comes down to trying to match the practical skills with the creative ability to convey the right sort of aesthetic appeal of your company. Some people say it's the fluffy side of marketing where we make things look pretty with a bit of color, but it actually is quite a lot more than that. There's a talent really involved in transforming um, the message and the values of a company into something visual that represents the same thing for the intended target audience. So typically, you use brand guidelines if they're available from a bigger company. If you're a smaller company, this might actually be the beginning of some brand guidelines on a simple level, just to know how to communicate consistently moving forward. But it's a case of making sure that you have a consistency in your marketing collaterals moving forward that meets the intended objective for that particular piece of material. How can I use graphic design services for account-based marketing? So, graphic design for account-based marketing is really a chance to make sure that you can tweak the design of a marketing piece of collateral to really appeal well to your intended target audience. So, even if you're a company selling specific products or solutions and you have an overall brand message or brand values that you use that look a certain way, when it comes to doing specific marketing collateral for ABM accounts, you want to make sure that the intended prospect feel like it's matching what your company can deliver against what the prospect company's challenges are. So it's a case of making sure that there is a great match there between the two, which then presents more of an appealing chance for you to do business with that particular company. Should I be using graphic design services? So this comes down to, again, what kind of resources and skill sets you have internally. For smaller companies, it's not uncommon that the managing director and the owner of the business does everything themselves. So it could be a case of a priority. What do I have to do versus what someone else can do for me? If you do have people that are talented in terms of creativity in general, and have a flair for putting things visually appealing together, then obviously you might not need a graphic design services agency. It could also be that it's simply not enough time to create everything. You might need additional resources to produce all the things that need to get done. Um, An agency can really deliver in terms of the variety of talented individuals that have experience in creating designs that appeal to different industries, different products, and different accounts. And that's where using an agency really comes into its own. And also, it gives you a chance to produce a consistency across the board in all your communications. So you could have your website that then translates into company logo, product logo, um, and digital assets that could be used online or offline, as well as event-based type of material. And they all needs to have a consistent sort of look and feel. And that is what a graphic design services agency and their designers are able to deliver the consistency throughout at a time when it's needed, Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please hit the button below or subscribe so you can see what other videos we have moving forward. I'm Toby from virtualROI, and we've been helping clients solve marketing challenges since 2009. So a problem shared is a problem solved. So please let us know in the comments below what your challenges are. Until then, keep marketing.